Good morning. This class is about. Good morning. My name is Igor Godwin Vincent. I'm here to teach you how to launch an instance real quick from AWS account. Um, I'm gonna teach you how to launch an instance, and possibly if you don't need it anymore, you can just terminate the instance real quick. So, first step is just to go to your Google Chrome, Mozilla, anyone you are comfortable with. Just all I need is go to your browser. I'm okay with my Google Chrome, so you can type the AWS account, or for me, I already have AWS account, so I'm gonna click it here. That's the aws.amazon.com/console. So once you go there, if you don't have an account, you can just create an account. But if you already have an account, just go and log into your account. Now I'm already into my account because you can see because I have my password saved. So it just takes me straight into the account. Now I can click on EC2 because I want to launch an instance real quick. Now, once it comes up, you're gonna see I have 5 instances. Only one is running. So if I click here, instances, you're gonna see how many of the instances. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but only one is running. That's why you saw one instance running, whereas we have 5 instances. Now I can launch the instance real quick by clicking launch instance. Then it depends the type of instance you want to launch. You want to launch a Linux, Amazon Linux, you want to launch Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat, SUSE. We also have Fedora, the rest of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and launch an Ubuntu instance. So first of all, I'm gonna tag it depending on what I want to what I want the instance to be used for. You can target anything. So let's say I want to have a Jenkins. So I can say Jenkins. So you can write anything you will feel like, anything that makes you feel comfortable. So I can say Ubuntu. Then this drop down button here, you click it here, you're gonna select the version you are comfortable with. So I'm gonna go with 1804. So I go down to instance type. So you're gonna check what type of instance do you want to launch. Is it a T2 micro? The higher you go, the bigger it becomes. So I'm gonna just pick a T2 medium because of this class. You can pick anyone you feel comfortable with. So now you want to create you want to have a key. It's either for me, I already have a key in my computer. So I have a lot of keys, so I can pick any of the keys. But if you don't have a key, this button, this command here says create new key pair. So you can click on it. Once you click on it, key pair name. So you can write anything you like. So I can say Jenkins, because it can connect with Jenkins. I can say Jenkins. I can say Jenkins. So now make sure it's in RSA. So and it's in PEM. So you can say create key. Once you create it, it's gonna download to your system. Automatically, it's saved in the download in your computer. So you can just go down. Here you can just pick configure storage. So you want to know the storage of the instance you are creating. You can just say 30 gig. You can say 50 gig, 100 gig, depending on what you want. So once when you come to this number of instances, if you want 10 instances to start up, you go ahead and click 10. If you want 20, but here, because I want one instance, I'm just gonna put one. So I can just say launch instance. So once the instance is launched, you see a prompt that says view all instances. You can click on it to view all instances. You can see the instance I created now is just initializing. It's still pending. So I can just go ahead and refresh my screen, and I can just go ahead and refresh my screen, and you see it's now up and running, just Jenkins. So if I want to connect it to my mobaXterm so that I can do any work on it, I can just click on it, then go ahead and copy my public IP. Then I go to my mobaXterm, go to session, I click SSH. Once you come to the remote host, you put the public IP, you paste it, you go to username. The username of Ubuntu is always Ubuntu. So then because you have a key, you're gonna say advanced SSH, use private key, then click on it. You are going straight to your download. You can see this is my download. And the latest download I have is the Jenkins PEM key, which I created just a few minutes ago. So I can just click on it and open it from here. So I can go ahead and say, okay. Once I say, okay, it prompts me into the mobaXterm where I can start whatever thing I want to do. But you can see it seems to look a little bit dirty, that I can just say, okay, let me clear it to have a neat workspace. I can say clear is just like an eraser. It's a Linux command that erases anything you don't want. Like you just want to give your workspace a neat look. So if you say enter, you see the workspace looks neat, that we can start whatever we want to do. So at this point, you can do whatever command you want to do. You want to update your instance, whatever thing you want to do, you go ahead and do it. So I think at this point, we have successfully launched a new instance and connected it to our mobaXterm. Then I'm gonna just show you how you're gonna terminate the instance if you no longer want it. Just come to your AWS account, click on the instance you no longer want, go to action, you see a drop down button, you see instance state. Yes, you want to know the state of the instance. So you see already, because it's already started, the start button can no longer be prompted. So you can stop it, you can reboot it, you can terminate it. So now, because we no longer need the instance, you can just go ahead and terminate the instance. Say yes, it's gonna be terminated, or even though it's still running, but if you refresh, you're gonna see the instance has been terminated. You see, it's shutting down. You can see it. So it's shutting down at this moment. And if you refresh again, you can see it has been terminated. So thank you. If this class is able to help you, you can give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask the question. Go ahead and drop your questions. If you have any comments, go ahead and make your comment. We'll just get back to you as soon as we can. Just get back to us in the comment section. Tell us, hey, you want us to do a video on this? We're gonna teach you how to get it done as quick as possible. Thank you.